Hi, good afternoon. This is Mittal Shah, mother of Vyom Shah. He is in Oberoi International School, JVLR. And we are with RFL since currently about 6 months. Then pre-COVID also we were together with RFL, I think about a year or so. About this whole program, he is enjoying it so much that I think he talks to his parents like 10 sentences in the whole day. But to the coach and to his friends, and they all have become a very close-knit family. There might be some ups and downs with the friends and all that, but they end of the day they are back together. I asked him that do you want to participate next year also, because it is really tedious. You come back from school, he comes back at 5 minutes to 5, and in just like 5:10 he's out of the house again, because he has to reach here at like 5:15. So I asked him, do you really want to participate? Isn't it like too tedious? Don't you want to just give it a miss? Like, no, mom, no, I really want to participate again, and I want to be part of this great journey again. Whether I win or not, it's not important. So this WRO is what we are participating in. So it's World Robotics Olympiad. So I have actually seen a lot of difference in him. Firstly, being he's a little closed and introvert child. At home also he talks only limited, how much he has to. He plays a lot with his friends and all, but he talks very limited. But now after that he's been a part of this program, he has learned all these social skills. He knows how to get things done, to resolve issues, and then after all of this he does come home and he does speak whatever the 10 sentences in that he's talking about what all he did in this. So I do see a lot of difference in him. He has evolved as a child. And the way like now, because this is whole robotics program, we had a printer which was not working, and now suddenly he's like, oh mama, I'm gonna make it work. He opened everything, each and every wire he segregated, and then for 1 hour I don't know what he was doing, and then he put it all back together and it was working. So I think they are progressing very well in life, not only like over here but even at home. They've learned to eat, they've learned to communicate. And since it is a team of 3, there are ups and downs with kids and all that. But then, yeah, they do a very great job as a team. They put up a very good show. They won, like they were first ranked in WRO, and I think that until now it has been our best ever achievement, having the trophy, having the medal.